Perhaps the greatest test of endurance is the annual migration south of the long-necked goose, who has been known to travel thousands of miles without rest. But here we see one who is tiring. Wait a minute. That's not a goose. It's a woodpecker.
Boy, I'm spooked. I hoped I'd make it to the French Riviera, but I'll settle for Switzerland, right below. I gotta get some sleep. This'll do for a couple of days. What was that? What's going on? What the jumping Jupiter is this? It's a clock. I'm in a clock tower. I gotta get some sleep.
What's that? The clock is busted? Huh? Something wrong with the clock? Yeah, I know. The clock. Hello? What did you say? The clock in the tower. It has been gefrui. Go fix it right away. Ach, Himmel. The clock has not stopped in 200 years. Somebody has thrown a monkey wrench in the works. Because of dumb Woodpecker, I got to set the time again.
Hey, Snickle Fritz, what you doing?
Crazy Dummkopf, go away! Help! So, it's you, Dum-Dum. So nice of you to drop in. Did you fix yet the clock?
Well, not exact. Well, no. You see...
Stop with the excuses. Now go fix the clock. Dummkopf Clocksmith, you are fired. Now go away. I will get rid of the woodpecker and fix the clock myself.
I'm gonna get some sleep if I have to take this clock apart.
I will put a stop to the woodpecker monkey shines.
This is the funniest thing I ever saw. Well, at last I have peace and quiet. Now for a good long snooze. I forgot. The fellas in Kansas City gave me a going-away present.